Hi, this is Karen with WTI. Have you ever found it challenging to set your makeup with powder? Well, this Maitys powder puff triangle has made it so much easier for me. I just apply a little bit of the setting powder into the puff. I rub it in so the product can get into the puff, and then it will leave me with this really, really thin layer over the puff, and that's what I apply. So that will give me a really thin layer over my makeup. I won't feel that it's cakey or that it's just too much, especially when we reach certain age. We don't want a lot of powders in our face, and this puff helps me to get that. Plus, the shape of it, since it's a triangle, I can get into my little inner corners of my eyes. I can even be setting my entire face, and I love it. And that's my point of view.